If you find yourself craving seafood, try this simple crab salad grilled sandwich. Start with a mixing bowl and 4 ounces of whipped cream cheese. Add 3 diced green onions and 3 long imitation crab pieces, shredded. If you don't have the long pieces, you can also do the smaller chunk pieces as you see in the video. Add a half teaspoon each of soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic powder, and salt. And then mix all ingredients together. Add some sweet chili or sweet honey chili sauce to your bread and spread evenly over. Top with your crab meat and close your sandwiches. Grill your sandwiches on medium to medium-high heat with either the spray oil or butter of your choice. Garnish your sandwiches as you wish. I recommend a glass of white wine. Check out our other recipes and playlists, and we'll see you next time for Second Helpings.